what is going on in Pattaya and Phuket? What is going on? Have you seen all the videos of the fights? Now, look, you're probably going to say, oh, they've been fighting on Walking Street and Bangla Road every day for decades. Do you know what? I've been here 22 years in Thailand. And of course, in 2004, there wasn't the social media presence that we have now. People could say, oh, it was happening then, but it's only because social media, everyone's got a camera, a device that they can record things. That's true. But do you know what? I lived in Pattaya for 6 months and I was out on the town every night. I was a boy about town. Now I'm telling you, I never saw one fight. I certainly don't remember one. You might say, yeah, because you were pissed every day. Look, I was never in a fight. I never nearly got in a fight and I never saw a fight. There was a lot of drunk people staggering around. There might have been a few Mexican standoffs, but I don't remember feeling like there was an atmosphere that there was going to be a fight. I don't recall it. There weren't. I mean, even if there were, I'm seeing them every day, 10, 15 fight videos. Now, I know the algorithm is going to be drawing that content to my page, but it's happening. And I've got my theory, and I'd like to know your thoughts on this, because honestly, Bangla Road and Walking Street, it's like turning into what is it, BBK, bare knuckle boxing rings. Yeah? But this ring is like really long and straight. It's unbelievable. But what I'm also noticing, it seems to be a certain crowd. Now, back in 2004 when I was in Pattaya, there wasn't the young crowd that is and seem to be here now. I think back in those days, people were still going to Spain and Greece. I think because of the cost of air travel and the rise of social media and the fact that Thailand has a certain reputation, and you know, younger males and maybe even females too get a lot of positive attention here for the right or wrong reasons, I don't know. But you know, and I'm not knocking young people. Look, I'm not being all bitter and twisted. I'm just saying what I see. And it seems to be a load of guys with their shirts off, with their man purses, giving it all that, you know, uppercuts and choking people out. And there's girls fighting with African women and pulling their wigs off, and I see the sort of the lady boys beating the crap out of Indian guys and other people, you know. Oh, I don't know. You talk about World War III, I think it's happening in bloody Phuket and Pattaya, isn't it? It's mad. Anyway, let me know your thoughts, because on a serious note, it's just so disappointing and sad to see. Is this what the world's coming to? Are we just going to be beating the shit out of each other? Honestly, I've got my own theories on why it's happening, and I do think there's a younger crowd coming here. They're obviously getting twisted with drink, and again, not judging anyone. It's what we all do. It's what we all did, and it's what will continue to happen, right? But just let me know your thoughts. I've got my thoughts. I think there's a different crowd coming here now. The sort of the Benidorm and the Greece crowd are coming in for their 2 week, 3 week holidays. The social media influencers that are all coming here to say, this is how much you can get for 500 baht in 7-Eleven, and you know, don't ride the elephants, and you know, all that stuff. Like, share, subscribe, talk to me, tell me what you think. I'll see you in the next video. You want to fight?